good day everybody. These guys sent me this fold-up mattress for an unboxing review. Let's check it out. Okay, the directions say to lay it on its side and pull it from the box. Did that. Step 2, remove the mattress from the plastic bag. And then 3, we got to unroll it. 4, cut the sides of the clear plastic along the edges. The mattress will begin to decompress. Sweet. And then remove the bag. Allow the bed to fully recover before adding bed linens. I'm standing on it. This is nice and comfy. Now we just take this, go that way with it. Okay, got this thing all laid out. Now I'm going to take this cutting tool, just cut the plastic right up the side here. Right, here's who makes this thing. Iyee Nature, or Iyee Nature. Oh, that baby's nice. There it is without the plastic. And it is very comfortable. Yeah, so this is the working side. So this is nice and soft. Oh, this thing's nice and comfortable. This feels good on my back. And also, it'll fit at least a 6'3", maybe a 6'5" person. I mean, this will work great too as a guest mattress, and then fold up nicely. Or you can leave it out maybe in a rec room or something like that. And here it just folds up. It's a tri-fold, so it just folds right up. Super easy. So you could use this as a couch too. Oh, this is nice. I'm sitting on it all folded up. This would be great for company, or for putting in maybe a trailer or even a travel trailer for some extra cushion.